transforming your body in just 3 weeks. Imagine the new you, stronger, fitter, and more confident. These exercises will make you strong and burn fat fast. Why bodyweight exercises? They're brilliant. No fancy gym needed. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Your body is the best tool, and it's always with you. You can work out anywhere, whether it's your backyard, a park, or even a hiking trail. This plan uses 6 powerful exercises to build lean muscle and torch body fat. Feel your energy soar and clothes loosen. It's about feeling good and getting fit. Are you in? Start and stay consistent. Believe in yourself. Progress every day. Track your progress and celebrate every milestone. Let's smash these goals together. Support each other and share your victories. Your new body is waiting. Visualize your success and stay motivated. Get moving, lace up those shoes and take the first step. Let's do this. Together we will achieve greatness. Let's talk burpees. This exercise is a game changer. Burpees build muscle and burn fat like crazy. It's all about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Go all out, then rest briefly. This method pushes your body harder than slow cardio. Your heart rate will skyrocket. Burpees trigger EPOC, keeping your metabolism high. Burn extra calories for hours post-workout. How amazing is that for fat loss? To do a burpee, stand, squat, plank, jump back and leap up. Try 30 seconds of burpees, rest 10 seconds, repeat for 5 rounds, feel the power. Embrace the challenge, get ready to transform. Go for it. Next, the mighty push-up. This exercise is a staple in fitness routines around the world. A classic for a reason. Push-ups are incredibly effective and versatile. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They build functional strength for everyday life. Whether you're lifting groceries or playing sports, push-ups help. Keep your body in a straight line. This ensures you engage your core and avoid injury. Lower slowly, chest close to the ground, then push up. Control is key for maximum benefit. Beginners try incline or knee push-ups. These variations reduce the load and help you build strength gradually. For a challenge, try diamond push-ups. They put extra emphasis on your triceps and inner chest. Now, squats, the king of leg exercises. Squats are fundamental for building lower body strength. Squats build strong legs, working quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They also engage your core for stability. Strong legs help with many activities, from running and hiking to everyday tasks like climbing stairs. Proper form is crucial. Keep your back straight, chest up, and toes forward. This ensures you target the right muscles. Lower as if sitting, thighs parallel, push through heels. This movement mimics everyday actions like sitting and standing. Add pulse or jump squats for a challenge. Feel the burn, build strength, let's go, push your limits and see the results. Mountain climbers and jumping jacks. Ignite your metabolism. Mountain climbers are dynamic, high energy, and boost cardiovascular fitness. Start in a high plank, drive knees to chest, switch quickly. Faster you go, more calories you burn. Jumping jacks are a full body movement. They work legs, calves, core and shoulders. Improve coordination and heart health. For jumping jacks, feet together, arms by sides, jump wide, arms overhead. Clap hands at the top, jump back, land softly to protect joints. Add resistance bands for a challenge, feel the energy. Lunges, sculpting strong and balanced legs. Lunges isolate each leg, building balanced strength. Target quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Improve hip flexibility, stability, and balance. Mimic natural movements for daily strength. Proper form, big step forward, hips down, front knee over ankle, push off heel, switch legs. Try reverse or walking lunges for variety. Keep workouts exciting and effective. Give them a go. Your 3-week action plan for incredible results starts now. Get ready to transform your body and mind with this comprehensive guide. Achieve visible results with dedication and effort. This plan is designed to push your limits and help you reach new heights in your fitness journey. Train 3 to 4 days a week, allowing recovery days in between to let your muscles heal and grow stronger. Consistency is key. Do 3 sets of each exercise with 12 to 15 reps per set. This rep range is optimal for building strength and endurance. Focus on form to prevent injuries and enhance effectiveness. Proper technique ensures you get the most out of each movement. Watch instructional videos or use a mirror for guidance. This helps you maintain correct posture and form throughout your workouts. On rest days, engage in light recovery activities like stretching or yoga. These activities help improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Challenge yourself to progress with more reps or harder variations of exercises. Continuously pushing your limits leads to greater gains. Believe in yourself and stick to the plan. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your success. Stay positive and motivated. Work hard and enjoy the results. Celebrate your progress and the milestones you achieve along the way. You'll be amazed at your achievements. Stay committed. Push your limits. Transform your body. Let's make it happen. Your journey to incredible results starts today.